My name is Julia Diaz. I'm a controller at Western Pathology Associates. We are a laboratory based out of Phoenix, Arizona. Coming from finance, you live in Excel, and with TELCOR being an Excel-based user interface, not only is it easy to transition to for pretty much anyone, but you're also able to do whatever kind of analytics that you need. We use it everywhere from the error workqueue to appeal workqueue to auditing to patient collections. I mean, you can use it for every stage of the revenue cycle process. My favorite thing now is the cash waterfall. I just actually utilized that reporting with some financial forecasting that I did, doing various models with payer reimbursement. You can see how your payers are paying you current +1, +2, +3. You can also see your adjusted net cash to just in one spot calculate when you can expect what revenues based upon not just your contracted rate, but also your patient payment performance.